Learn the shapes. Look, shape. First, read for me. Shape.
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 Okay. Now, shapes.
Shapes.
Shapes. Look at the picture. What can you see?
Ball.
Yes, it's a ball. Now, what's the shape of the ball?
It's a circle.
Yes, it's a circle. Read for me. Circle.
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 It's a circle. Read for me. What shape is it?
What shape is it?
What shape is it?
What shape is it?
It's a circle.
It's a circle.
It's a circle.
It's a circle.
Hi, Wendy. With a partner, practice it.
What shape is it?
It's a circle.
Oh, good. Student, please.
What shape is it? It's a circle.
Chen, you please. What shape is it?
It's a circle.
Okay. Ruby. And Claudia.
What shape is it?
It's a circle.
Great. What shape is the ball?
It's a circle.
It's a circle. Okay. And who can ask and answer about this picture? Student, please.
What shape is the clock? It's a circle.
Great. You please.
What shape is it?
It's a circle.
Okay.